Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Portia. If you're new here, thank you for being here. Remember to like, comment, and share, and subscribe. If you're not new here, thank you for coming back.
You know the drama is never ending. Don't let it get the best of you.
Today, I know I'm going to try and perfect a wash and go. So I've been trying to find a product that will help me with this wash and go dilemma that I am having. My hair is washed. I use the Texture ID to wash my hair and moisturizer. I will link the video down below so you guys can see my review on that. Today I will just be doing a wash and go. I'm going to try and use this comb. It's a 3-row comb. I'm also going to try and shingle at the same time. I'm going to use a Tangle Teaser. Water. This has a little bit of castor oil in it. And the product that I will be using is, the first time I'm ever going to be using this, is the Cream of Nature Pure Honey Shrinkage Defense Curl Activator for dry, dehydrated hair. I've never used this before, even though I've used their entire collection for Pure Honey. I've never used this product. It was $5.99, so it's not expensive. So let's hope that it works. I really do like Cream of Nature products. So, and if you guys have not seen my how I dyed my hair video, just it'll be down in the description box, so you guys can check that out as well. I washed my hair like 3 days ago and it is still wet. It's damp. I ran out of leave-in conditioner for Texture ID, so I just used my other go-to leave-in conditioner, which was the Bask and Bloom leave-in conditioner. I will link a video down below for the Bask and Bloom product as well, so you guys can see how those work. Y'all see my curls? They stay popping, huh? My hair smells like castor oil. The castor oil I got from Natural Oil Club. I don't think I have a video on it, but I will link the video that I did do a review on their products down below as well. So since my hair is damp only where the ponytail scrunchie was, I'm going to need more water than expected. And I'm going to be working in smaller sections because I feel like the smaller the section is, maybe my hair just really likes me to get every single strand individually. So that's what we're going to try and do, is get every strand individually. So I am going to it's not that much. So this is what I'm working with right now. It's not really a large section. I'm going to detangle with my Tangle Teaser, and then, yeah. Where? Hold on, Anaya, you see me. Don't you see me? Because I see you. I got the remote. Yeah. And I'm not soaking my hair because I hate super wet hair.
It's gonna be so cute. It's gonna be nice.
What you wanna watch?
Mommy, here. I need this.
No, I know. So I'm going to, I think I used a little too much, but it's okay. It's super thick.
Baking soda.
For the young
You need
edges.
some baking soda, Mama. Right?
No, no,
The baking soda will make
no.
all
I'll
the
clean
stuff
it. I'll clean it. Don't worry about it.
Look at this. Look at this big mess.
Who did that?
My baby was.
You did. And your brother. Y'all get on my damn nerves.
Bro, I can't go to sleep. You up there with my ass. Where you going?
Nowhere. I had to film a video.
Your hair lopsided.
Hmm?
Your hair lopsided.
I know.
Meaning what side is longer than another?
No, it's just party. Funny.
Hey, bye, Tom.
You know, again, slap this shit out of me again.
I'm about to go to the store. Can you get the keys from
Why
my
you
room?
can't wait to go to the store till you like go to your doctor's appointment?
I don't have to go today.
Oh.
I have to call the freaking insurance. Well, I'll call the freaking insurance people. And because I don't want to go to the store when everybody else
No,
gets
don't
hurt.
say it when because it's done with. Because you don't have that doctor's appointment. That's it. Okay.
Well, I didn't know you wanted me to wait until I had to
Yeah.
go.
Your son. He's funny as shit. You go get the key. I just came from upstairs.
Well, I thought you was going back because he downstairs. So I figured you was going to go back and go to sleep.
Go downstairs.
You're downstairs. The baby's downstairs. So I was like, well, shit, she probably go back and take a nap. But you could have just dropped the keys.
I couldn't. And it's freezing.
Well, shit, we all can go to the store because I'm not about to be guessing what people fucking want.
Okay, I gotta brush my teeth though.
So when I'm done with my hair, I'm leaving.
Your kids not good.
Fuck them kids.
No, they need to look like like something.
Of course they're gonna look like something.
And now put some clothes on.
All right, you guys, so this was my wash and go using the Cream of Nature curl activator. We will see how this holds up throughout the day. It's still wet, so we're just going to let it dry, and then I'll come back with an update if I remember. So remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and thank you guys so much for watching. Hi guys, so I told you guys I was going to come back with an update on my hair. So this is 4th day hair. I had it wrapped for like 2 days, so it got a little flat inside my bonnet, so I decided to change up the style. Took out the things, crossed them, I added bobby pins in the back, and I just put it up into a puff. Still have the beads or whatever, and I'm going to probably rock this for about another 2 days before I end up washing my hair. The product itself, this product right here, this is how I got my curls or whatever. No, this product, I like it. It's very sticky though, I'm not gonna lie, it's really sticky, but all in all it works. It does curl your hair, it does enhance the curls that are already there. I think if I took more time to do it, but I was in a rush, if I would have took more time to have my hair wet enough, and then, you know, the curls would have been more defined, but since I was in a rush, I did not do that. So you guys, I give this product a thumbs up. I do like it. I'm gonna try to use it on a twist out or a braid out or maybe something else, whatever I come up with. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I will catch you next time in my next video. So yeah, peace. Oh, remember to like, comment, share.